Hello student, myself Roshan again welcomes you all. Myself Roshan Verma and today I will going to teach you the topic computer detailing. In this detail, first we think the definition of computer. Computer is a electronic device which performs both the mathematical and logical operations. In that operation, first we think how computer works. Computer takes input from input devices, process or store the data inside the CPU and according to the instruction, I say again, according to the instruction it works, it processes the data and creates the output on the monitor screen, or it can print as hard copy over the printed page with the help of printer. Okay, we will see different type of input and output devices in my next lecture. Today I am going to explain only the structure of the computer. That means the computer is made up of four main parts. The desktop computer. First of all, I am very interesting to tell you the long form of the word computer. In each character of the computer shows the meaning. You can see over the screen the meaning of the computer as shown very interestingly. After that, I would like to tell you that the four parts of the computers are mouse, keyboard, monitor and CPU. From that four part, I will explain one by one. First, I explain the CPU. CPU is a case. We can say case tower. First definition about the CPU is to take the input, process the data and shows the output to the monitor or the screen. CPU is the main part of the computer. Second point, the CPU is the brain of computer, like a brain of the human beings. But human get tired after lots of work. But computer is a machine, so machine do not get tired. Most of the peoples uses different type of CPUs as per their functionality, as per their quality. We can develop our home computer as per our requirements. We can easily describe the CPU details because CPU is very important part. First we see how to start the computer. First you have to plug the pins of both CPU and monitor to the plug. Then switch on the button, power button. Switch on the power button. Then click the start button, switch on button from the CPU. Means CPU machine is very important. After turn on the CPU button, it will shows us the CPU functioning inside the monitor. Then we can also explain about the CPU is consists of most different parts. Inside the CPU there is a microprocessor. Microprocessor is the most important part of the system because microprocessor system is very useful in the different way. Microprocessor are different because in this microprocessor we can calculate with the help of the computer. Computer CPU contains the motherboard also. It also contains the different parts like CD drive, floppy disk drive and USB ports. Inside the USB ports we can join mouse, printers or keyboards or many devices. There are different ports for the different uses because there would be lots of uses with the help of CPU, with the help of computer. After knowing what inside the CPU, there is most important part RAM, because the working of the computer, current working means when you are working over the computer, RAM should be better. If the RAM is low, the speed will be low. So nearly RAM should be more than 1 GB. Nowadays computers are available with the 4 GB RAM or more than that of is available in the market. The processors available are different like i3, i5, i7. Before that in the computer there was the processor core to dual core or different type of processor were used. CPU is very main part of the computer because it is the main machine among the 4 parts. Instead of that machine we can't use the other machine for completing the 4 parts of the computer. Computer memory is available in such a case with the main part, that is hard disk, because the main operating system to start the computer, to handle the computer, operating system is the software by which you can use your computer. Without that software you can't use your computer. This software stored inside the hard disk. So the hard disk is also important in CPU. Also there are many topics inside the CPU. I will explain in my next some videos also. Today I am just explaining you some basic points inside the CPU. We have seen, I am revising it, RAM, hard disk that store the operating system by which you can use your computer. Hard disk contains the 4 or more drives in which out of which the C drive is most important, because with the help of C drive we store our operating system. Means the programming file has been stored inside the C drive. Most of the computer uses C drive for storing the operating system. The drive should only be used to store the program files. We should not use the C drive or the drive in which operating system has been installed for storing other documents, because if any of the file has deleted from the C drive or the operating system file, our computer will shut down or computer will lose our document. CPU diagram you are watching over that screen, you will be get so many doubts from that. Please ask me over the comment section. My next topic is monitor. Why we use the monitor? Because monitor is just to show something that is happening inside the computer. What is going on inside the computer? We can see how to do some operation, what the operations are going on. We can do easily inside the computer with the help of the monitor. Before some years they were using CRT monitors, cathode ray tube, but nowadays people are using CRT, sorry, C LED instead of CRT. LED monitors are very useful nowadays because its clarity is very clear, its clarity is very high quality, and we can see the different high quality pixels with that LED monitors. LED monitors helps us to see the picture very clearly, and we can do our operations very effectively. Monitors are available in different sizes. The different sizes generally 14-inch, 32-inch or different as per your requirement. You can buy, you can purchase from the market. So many types of images you can search over the Google, so many types, and with different prices monitors are available in market. You can purchase over the internet with the help of online shopping also. My next topic is mouse. It is also very most important topic, because first see the diagram. Because mouse is a pointing device. First I can say mouse is a pointing device, and it helps us to select something. Something means the folder or file or the text, or to open a file or folder or whatever drive inside the computer. The pointing device is just like our hand. With that hand we open a box. That type, the mouse also helps us to open some document or folder or files inside the computer. Mouse is looking just like a mouse animal you have seen in your home, but this mouse is made up of machine. This mouse is a small device It's connected with the CPU by a cord. In the market there are different type of mouses available in different sizes, different colors and different type of their functionality also. But main function of the mouse is to select or open something. We can use mouse very efficiently over any flat surface. With the computer, mouse is very important factor because we can choose something and we can do operations with the computer only with the help of mouse. Before some years, keyboard we are using instead of mouse, but that time there was many type of working. But after the development of Windows system, mouse has been used very mostly in all over the fields. Mouse is available in two ways. One is cordless, without cord, uses the Bluetooth device with the mouse, Bluetooth mouse. Or second is the mouse with a cord. Bluetooth mouse can be used inside the room from any place away from the computer. We use the mouse for different purposes like click, double click or drag process. Out of which I will explain you what is click. Click means from the mouse buttons, mouse having two buttons, left button and right button, out of which left button click the left button with our index finger, hold the mouse with that two finger and place our thumb over the surface. With the help of our finger we can use the mouse. Our two finger, our middle finger and our index finger will use to handle the mouse. Our index finger will use to click the left button. You can see my index finger uses the left button and middle finger will use the right button. So click means press the left button once, and to click the right button, that means to press the middle finger over the right button of the mouse. You have understand very clearly, mouse is having two buttons. Left button will use with our index finger and right button will use with our middle finger. Double click means to click the left click of mouse with our index finger with a fast succession, means rapidly click, double click the mouse. I am again going to explain you that double click means rapidly double click the left button of the mouse. After that, drag process. Drag means to click something, means I have said before some time what you mean by click. Click means using only the index finger with the left button. Click the file or folder over the desktop. You can move from one place to the another place. That means to move something by clicking, but at that time your finger should not lift from that button. After clicking over the folder, you should not lift your finger from that mouse. Okay, only click over the mouse where your folder or file is available, and by clicking drag from one place to the another place, means we can change the location of our file or folder over the desktop with the help of mouse. Also, we use the drag process in the Excel. In the Excel, the range of the different number also select with the help of drag process. We can enter number 1 in first cell, number 2 in second cell, and we can drag the plus sign. I will explain in Excel software, but some students have already known about that Excel software. Inside it we can select the range, directly we get the data. But right now you are the smaller student, only you have to keep in your mind that drag process will helps you to move your document or file over the desktop from one place to the another place. What is desktop? Desktop is the first screen display in front of you after starting your computer. When you start your computer with the help of power button, and then you start your CPU start button, then you will see after booting process nearly about 1 minute, you will see the screen over the monitor, and you will display, computer will display you a screen. That screen is called the desktop. I will explain details about desktop in my next video. Okay. My next topic is keyboard. So many people uses internet for just only typing, but computer keyboard were using most effectively and regularly before some years. Only there was the keyboard. That time people were giving the instruction to the computer instead of mouse with the help of keyboard. In the market there are different type of keyboards available. I can explain different type of keyboards. That first type is a regular keyboard that contains the regular keys that are useful to operate the computer. Then the keyboard with a multi programming or the interesting entertainment programming with the help of keyboard. The entertainment keys like using internet directly with that button, or to listen a music, or to minimizes the volume with the help of keyboard button, to dark or to bright your desktop or monitor screen brightness, to improve the brightness or to increase the brightness over the screen. You can use that type of buttons, multimedia keyboards, that is also called the multimedia keyboard. Today I will explain you the simple regular keyboard. Keyboard is divided into the different parts. The right part of the keyboard is keypad available with the numeric key. Numeric key is useful mostly in the banking sector or our regular life. We can also use the keyboard numeric key for calculations. We can do so many operations and so many calculations with the help of numeric keys. Then we can see the function keys. You are watching over the screen what is the keyboard and how keyboard shows the different keys. Keyboard is very useful in which the top side keys, that are functional keys, are useful for using the computer very effectively and very easily, because functional keys from F1 to F12 are useful in different way. In many softwares their uses are very different. The F1 key is useful for the help, to get the help, okay, and F5 key are useful to refresh our computer system. Okay, we can refresh by right click of mouse and refresh button, refresh option is there, but instead of this we can directly press the F5 key to get refresh our computer. F1 to F12 are the functional key mostly uses in different software with the different uses. While doing some operations in your regular operations or regular work, you can easily handle your computer with the help of functional keys. Then most important keys are the alphabet keys. Alphabets from the English A to Z. You have already learned in your KG section, in your childhood time. You already know alphabets from A to Z. Also there is some symbols or some notations like hash, at the rate, colon, semicolon, double inverted comma, comma, and many symbols are there that will useful to you for using it into your document or into your work. Most people uses that key in the government offices. In the government offices there are the working inside their offices with documents. Okay, the document can be easily typed with the help of the alphabet keys. The computers are very useful by using the keyboard. Keyboard is having the cord. Cord is connected to the CPU, but we can remove as per our requirement. We can join that cord, USB cord, with the keyboard connection to the CPU. In one photo on the screen, I can explain the how can we attach our keyboard or mouse to the CPU. The next type of keys are caps lock, tab or shift key are useful in the different manner. Caps lock key are mostly useful for getting the capital word. While the caps lock key is on, the light indicates the caps lock is on or off at the right side over the keyboard. Then we use the shift key for getting a specific character in the capital manner. We use the tab key for leave the distance or to make the distance or getting space between the two character. It works like a space bar key. Space bar is the most big key over the keyboard that will help you to get the space between the character, single character space in between the two character. I am again going to explain the tab and spacebar. Spacebar key is useful to get a space with a single character, to leave the space between the two character, and tab key is used to get the space, more space than the spacebar key, nearly about 5 to 7 character in between the two character. With the help of tab key we can move from one place to the another place inside the Excel window also. It leaves nearly 1 inch of space between the two characters. Tab key gives the space nearly 1 inch in between the two characters. Then we can understand the next type of key, that is our navigation key, like page up, page down key. Page up and page down key goes. Page up key is useful to reach the top side of the document or top of the document at the first line, and page down key is useful to reach top down last line at the document. Page up and page down key, when reaches to their location, top or bottom, that time only the part of the screen of top side or the downside will show in front of you. The next key is home key and end key. Home key is useful to move the cursor at the starting of the line, and end key is useful to move the cursor at the end of the line. First, home key is useful to move the cursor at the starting of the line, and end key will use to move the cursor at the end of the line. While typing you use that type of keys. There are arrow keys are available in keyboard for navigating up and down or wherever you want to go. You can use with the help with your files also. For your files or your document or your folder, you can use that arrow keys to move up, down, left and right. That keys also will called as a directional key because it shows the direction top, down, left and right. It is very useful while typing. You can move easily your cursor to the left side, to the right side easily as per our required, as per up to your required characters. Also, there are most useful keys that are control key and alter key. Control key is very useful to controlling the system by using the alter. You can easily reaches to the short location. For example, alter F4 means alter plus F4 button. When you press both buttons at the same time, your computer will shut down. Or if using the control plus A button, that time you can select your whole data or total your folders or file you can select very easily with the help of Control plus A. A is alphabet. Control plus A button will useful to select the total document or your total files. Select all. It is optional as a select all button. Control plus C button is useful to copy after selecting any file or folder or any text, and Control plus V is useful for paste something that has already selected files or folders or text. You directly can select with the help of Control plus V. Okay. There is also one last button important, window and escape button. Escape button is used to escape the current programming. Escaping from the error, you can directly press the escape button. It's available at the left top corner of the keyboard, and the key near the mid in between the Control and Alt button is the window key. That is very important key to open the start button. When we press that key single time, that will help us to use our start button over the desktop. By single clicking the window key, we can directly use our directional key top, down, up, left and right as per our requirement to open our document or our file. This is also the combination key. With that window key, when we press window plus D, our already open dialog box will get minimized, and again when we press that key, the minimized dialog box will also get maximized. We can directly open my computer with the help of the key. It's called the window key. Just only press the window key plus E. E button is the alphabet. E alphabet. Then press window plus E button. With combinedly, you can directly see your my computer dialog box, and you can select then your drives for doing some operations. Okay student, today I have explained you the mouse, CPU, monitor, keyboard and computer word explanation. Also I have told you that computer parts, total 4 parts was important, that I have explained as per my knowledge. If you have some queries, then just leave your comment in my comment section, or you can directly contact me on my mail ID. You send your difficulties, or you can see some documentation with the help of that video. Thank you.